Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to share like top 5 tips to have a more productivity and even to have like smart life in your life, guys. So before moving to video, a small request from me, make sure to follow me, share me, subscribe my channel. It gives motivation for do more videos, guys. Even if you like my video, do like, click on like button so that I'll get to know like if you like the video. Yes guys, this is a small request from my side. Let's get into the video. The first tip, guys, try to write your day-to-day activities. So let's say if you're a college student, so you're having like plenty of tasks. So instead of like working on like a robot, try to have a like proper to-do list, guys. Take a sheet of paper from your desktop and take a note or take a sheet of paper. Even laptop works fine, guys. So like open some kind of documents in laptop or take a piece of paper. Write down all the activities that you want to do in day-to-day activities. So this definitely helps you have like more productive, guys. So you know like you have 24 hours by 7, so you won't be like working for 24 by 7. Try to have like free time in between, guys, so that to-do list helps a lot. So write down all the tasks that you want to do in daytime, so that you want to do like night time. So once you got like great idea of like what tasks you do in day-to-day activities, you will get like proper amount of time to work on the particular tasks, guys. These definitely have like more productivity, and even like so many great leaders and great entrepreneurs used to follow this trick, guys. Try to have like note on all to-do list activities and day-to-day activities. Reading. So I know like people nowadays are not reading a newspapers. Even they used to like feel lazy and sleepy while reading something like not even like subjects. So I always advise people to read at least 30 minutes a day, guys. So it might be newspaper, it might be like any kind of article, it might be journal paper, it's my storybook, it's my college book. So you know like reading helps a lot to improve imagination power. So even like in my first semester, I'm not a kind of person I used to read a lot. So I used to like spend hardly like 1 hour to read the books and read newspapers. So in my first semester, started reading at least 30 minutes a day, guys. So even today I read an article like in Quora. So it's not about like a particular journal. Try to read whatever you comes to your mind. So whatever makes feel interest. So try to read at least for 30 minutes a day, guys. So you know when you're reading something new kind of thing, you used to learn like new vocabulary, you used to learn new language, you used to know what's happening around you. This definitely helps you to like share knowledge to each other. As not like if you share knowledge to each other, it improves like the capability of like talking skill. It improves the capability like sharing knowledge to each and every person. Even if a person like you are sharing knowledge, you can get some input from other side. So you're gaining some kind of good things from other side, guys. The main reason I always suggest like people, especially students. So as if you're a college student watching this video, try to read at least for 30 to 40 minutes in a day, guys. Even if you have more time, try to read more. As much as you can read more things, guys. So even like there are like plenty of books available online. So if you want those things, comment in the box. I'll try to add those links, guys. You have like so many free books online. Try to download them and read as much as possible, guys. The second tip I want to share with you. The third tip, guys, watch some useful things on Netflix, on Amazon Prime, on Hotstar. So nowadays like people are just watching all the things in OTT platform. They're not like even going for movie theaters. So it's common. So as of now in 21 generation, people are like getting upgraded. So instead of wasting time on going to movies, so they are like watching like plenty of movies in Netflix and Hotstar and Amazon Prime. But remember, guys, if you're a student I don't like working person, they will having like stress, so they can watch whatever they want. But as a student, guys, in Netflix you have like some useful contents like about educational things, so try to watch them. So even on YouTube channel, like everyone like watching some kind of movie song, some kind of like short films. So I know like you can watch those kind of films on like a random basis, but on regular basis you should watch some kind of useful content on like OTT platform on YouTube, guys. So there are like plenty of things available on YouTube and even Netflix. So you have like so many series education thing. But like instead of watching, people they used to binge watch about like some kind of series and some kind of movies. So like try to like allocate your time for the like some useful non-useful thing, guys. So this definitely have like more productivity. So once you get like greater knowledge about the watching those kind of movies, so you can able to share those inputs to the younger people of your family or friends, so that they can able to learn from it, guys. So like I always like recommend to this, guys, try to watch some useful things. The fourth tip, guys, take a breaks. So I know like students and working professionals, they won't be taking breaks between the work life. Let me share one example, guys. So if you're working for continuous 12 hours, don't work for continuous 12 hours. Take a break at least for 1 hour between. So take once you complete 1 hour break, I try to take at least 5 minutes break. So in the 5-minute break, you don't need sleep for like, I won't say sleep, at least interest sleep. Take a like quick nap, just close your eyes, and if you have a wet cloth, just apply the wet cloth on your eyes, so that it relaxes your stress levels, and even it helps you like cool down your eyeball, guys, so that you can able to work more productively. So apart from like using wet cloth, so even you can able to listen some podcasts, some music in the any online platforms, so that you can able to peacefully work on like next hour, guys. So don't ever work for continuously, even it improves your weight, guys. So when you as not like working for sitting at one place, it definitely you won't be like losing any calories in your body, so ultimately you will be gaining weight, guys. So instead of that, like go for a 5 minutes walk when you're working for 1 hour, at least like go and like drink some water, so that you need to wake up from the place and you need to go to like near to the water tap, so fill up water and drink and come back to work, guys. So try to take quick breaks in your work life. This definitely help you more productive, guys. So this is a smart tip even like great entrepreneurs and the CEOs of company follow, guys. The final tip, guys, listen some best audiobooks as soon as wake up early in the morning. So as soon as like they have like few set of people who used to do the exercise as soon as wake up in the morning, even there are few set of people who used to do yoga. So those kind of people, you instead of listening some new song, like try to listen some audiobooks, guys. So why? Because I'm saying audiobooks, because like you used to get like you won't be getting time to read some kind of book, so that if you listen audiobooks, you can get some insights over it. So once you listen audiobook, you can spend at least 10 minutes for reading, guys, so that your time saves a lot. So while working, you are listening audiobooks. Even if you're driving for workplace, so instead of listening news, and try to listen some best audiobooks. Even I just mentioned those audiobooks in my Instagram reel. So recently, if you want, like you can check out my Instagram. Even I have like 2 videos on audiobooks. You can check out my video. I'll be giving thumbnail here. You can check out those video, guys. So why I'm saying audiobooks? So in audiobooks, like you can able to listen, like in imagination what the author trying to say, so that like you can implement those things in life, guys. That's the main reason I always prefer audiobooks a lot. So as well, like even I won't be getting time to read books. That's the reason I always like read. If I get time, I used to read 30 minutes. If you don't get, I used to read only for time 10 minutes. I used to spend on news, Insta application. I used to get quick updates of what's happening around me. So remaining time I used to like spend on audiobooks. So I used to listen audiobooks like while doing my work, while like going for whenever I go to restroom, I use Bluetooth headset while plugging those in like it's in my ears. I go restroom and like I listen audiobooks. Trust me, guys, audiobooks plays a like helps you a lot. Like you can get insights from the author which you want trying to say. Yes, guys, these are the 5 steps which definitely have a more productive and smart life in your life, guys. I hope these 5 steps will help you. So before ending video, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot to grow more videos, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon.